This is a reference photo from Google Image. So I'm going to choose 3 of these flowers. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Using your small sketchbook, start your sketch with a 2B pencil. Make sure of your composition. So I'm going to try here main character flowers, second, third. So first, to draw a circle oval shape for flowers using multiple light stroke to achieve these lines like this. And these flowers petal have so many petals. When you draw the petals, start center to edge. And I think when you draw these petals, draw center to edge. Please don't try like that. This is look weird. So try start the center to edge like this. Okay. So I choose three flowers. So a great composition doesn't like even numbered character. So I tried 1, 2, 3 characters. Okay. So facing, I want to try this way. I'm going to make a little bit bigger flowers. This is just a thumbnail sketch, so you don't need to in detail sketch. It's well drawn, right? All right, move on to next step and watercolor paper. So I prefer to mask the edge of my painting with masking tape. I used this masking tape because I like finished look. Look at this. You don't have to, and it's up to you. Okay. So next, we will use a 2H pencil to transform our cornflowers here. So I'm going to. This is main character flowers, biggest one and small one, smaller than that, and third one. Okay, facing this way, this way. Are we all done sketching? So, okay, next step, apply a lot of masking fluid on the flower with an old brush or tiny stick. So, before you start attention, please, if you do not immediately clean the brush afterward, it will use no longer. So use warm water and soap to avoid the ruin of your paint brush. Okay, so I'm going to apply masking fluid on the flower paper. I recommend for you use masking fluid, a lot of masking fluid. Cover whole flowers. We're gonna use abstract effect for background. I want to apply on the stem just a little part, not fully part. Okay, you need to immediately clean this brush. Okay, it will take at least 20 minutes to dry. So if you own a hair dryer, you could use, but we won't be doing that for this class. So, today's lesson is done. We have learned how to sketch, how to use masking fluid. So next class, we are going to learn what color are primary color and how to use these to get a secondary color and how to get an abstract effect in the background. Primary and secondary colors can be challenging, but abstract effect is very fun, right? Okay, see you next time. Bye.